My dear student, good morning all of you. I am Fahim sir, your mathematics teachers. Today I am going to teach you chapter first, integer. What is integers? Integers, all natural numbers, zero and negative numbers is called the integers. Integers are two types, positive and negative. Positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, it is called a positive integer. Minus q1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on, it's called the negative integer. 0 is a number which is not in positive integer, not negative integers. Now addition of the integers, positive 15 plus positive 13. Now we will add these numbers. The numbers will be positive integers. Negative integers and positive integers, the numbers will be negative integers. Negative integers added to the negative integers also. Now integers will be negative integers. Some properties are here. Properties of the addition integers. Number one, closure property of addition. Closure property of addition. If we have two integers, 5 and 2, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 7 is the integers. Now we can say that the any two integers, addition of the sum of the any two integers will be result is integers. See, now second, communication law of additions. In communication law of addition, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here the value of a minus 2 plus value of b is equal to 4. Now we will solve minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, if we put the value of b is equal to 4 and value of a is equal to minus k2, the value of these are 2. So both values are same. So we can say the communication law of the addition a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now associative law of the additions, here a, b and c are the three integers. Firstly, we will add to the a and b. After then, add it to c. In other case, a plus b plus c. Now, we will put the value of a, b, c in integer forms. Minus k2 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. If you will put the value of these integers, minus k2 plus 5 plus 8, so 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. The result is same. So we can say the associative law of additions. Firstly, we will add to the first two numbers, then others the second. In the others way, the second and third will be added, and after that the first number value are always same. The additive inverse. In this property, if we take integer a and add it to the 0, the value will be a. If you take the firstly 0 and add it to the integers, the value also a. So we can say that the existence of additive identity 4 plus a is equal to 4, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Existence of the additive inverse, if we take to the integer a and additive inverse minus a, now we will add it to these numbers, the result will be 0. So we can say the existence of the additive inverse will be same. Property of subtraction of integer, closure property of subtractions. If we take to the two integers 2 and minus 4, now we will add to these integers, the sum of these integers will be minus 2 is the integers. So we can say that the sum of the two integers is always integers. Subtraction of the integers is not communicative, and third one, subtraction of the integer is not associative. Property of the multiplication of integers. Number one, closure property of the multiplication of inverse multiplications. For example, if we take to the two integers 3 and 5, product of the two integers is always integers. So we can say the closure property of the multiplication, product of two integers is always integers. Commutative law of the multiplication, if we take to the two integers a and b, a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. For example, 2 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 8, minus 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 8. So we can say both values are same. In associative law of the multiplications, if we take to the three integers a, b and c, firstly multiply by a into b, then multiply by c is equal to first a number in multiply by b into c. If we take to the example 3, 2 and 4, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Both are same, so it is the associative law of the multiplications. Distribution law of the multiplications over additions, a multiplied by b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. If we take the example 5 multiplied by minus 2 plus 3, now we will solve it. 5 multiplied by minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 2 minus 10, 5 multiplied by 3 15. Now we solve this. The value of minus 5 plus 15 is equal to 5. Now 5 into 3 plus minus 2, 3 plus minus 2 is equal to plus 1 multiplied by 5. So both values are same. This is the distributive law of the multiplication over additions. Existence of the multiplication identity. If we take a integer a multiply by 1, then the multiply by a 1 multiplied by a is equal to a. So this is a multiplication of identity. Existence of the multiplication inverse. If we take the integer a, the inverse of the integer is 1 upon a, then a simplify by a is equal to 1. So existence of the multiple inverse is equal to 1. Properties of 0. If we take a integer a multiply by 0, 0 multiply by a, result will be 0. So we can say the properties of 0. If we multiply by integers by 0, the result will be 0. These are some important signs. Plus multiply by plus is equal to plus, plus multiply by minus is equal to minus, minus multiply by plus is equal to minus, minus multiply by minus is equal to plus. So this is a very important sign. Student, you should be learn this now. Now we have to cover all the main points, main properties in this video. So please watch this video very carefully and clear all the properties. After watching this video, solve the exercise first A and first B. Okay student, have a nice day.